haven't given you an update on the Peppers project in a while. So last night we got our subway tiles, half of the wall finished. We gotta do this wall now. So once we finish with that wall, we're gonna move on to the floors. Let me give you a quick little tour of what I go on. So we got our bathrooms done the other day, like 2 days ago. All the tile work is done. We just gotta grout everything. I'm gonna leave the grouting for last, so we could do the grouting on all tiles for last. So everything installed, our sink is installed, our toilet is installed, all the tile work is done in here. So now we gotta put this door frame, install this door frame right here. We're gonna install that next. After we do this wall, we're gonna install all the doors. Our counter is in place. This is just the framework for the counter. It's gonna be a granite countertop with a wood facing on the front. This wall is gonna be either a mural or a painted subway tile is gonna go on this side all the way around to here. In the kitchen section now, we already got our water heaters up, all our sinks are hooked up, they're all working, water is flowing through it and everything. We don't have any hot water because the gas is not hooked up yet, but everything is working how it's supposed to. Hand wash sink over there, paper towel, hand wash sink right here, all the plumbing is done. We did the flooring on this section. That's our drain, floor sinks. We did the plumbing on this section because we wanted to have the plumbers finish up the sink, so that's why we did the plumbing, the floors on just this section. So now we have our hood got installed. He still has to come back and do the exhaust fan on the top and the return air fan. He's gonna do the stainless steel and the fire suppression. So it's the New Year's, guys, so you know everybody's out for the New Year, the holidays. So sometime tomorrow or next week they're gonna start working on it again. So as far as this is probably 1/3 the way finished. Our lighting is done, all our electrical is done in here, all the AC mechanical duct is done. All that has been passed already. We got inspected on those. Our door, our frame, electrical and AC has been passed with the county already. So now we're just gonna finish this subway tile right here. We closed all the walls already. We got all our FRP installed all the way around. Every wall is FRP'd already except this wall. It's gonna be stainless steel. All our electrical outlets are installed. So as you can tell, everything is FRP'd all the way. So now we're working on this. Today we're gonna be working on this tile work right here, this corner. Once we're done this corner, we're gonna put the door frames in, and then tomorrow we're gonna get started on the floors with those quartiles. So stay tuned, people. We're gonna move all this stuff out. All these things are going out. It's things that we don't need. I got that grill right there. It's a new grill, but we also have another one right there, so we don't need both of them. So I'm gonna get rid of that one, sell it. We got a warmer, a refrigerator, another refrigerator. All these are going. We're not using them. We may be using the tables. So stay tuned and watch what go on. The build is coming together. We're on it. It looks like a mess now, but it's coming together. All this, 2 weeks ago there was no walls. It was just a big empty square room. There was no walls, no tiles, no nothing. So you only had that wall right there and that wall over there. That's it, nothing. So I think it's coming along. It's moving along real quick. This is our 3rd week on it. Since we got all the permits for the build. We've been at it 3 weeks. So in 3 weeks we got all our plumbing done, we got the hood installed, we got all the walls, we got all our inspections done on the walls, we have FRP on the walls, and now we're doing tiling. So in 3 weeks, you know, I think it's coming together real quick. Others might say it would have probably took them 1 week, but it's the holidays, guys. We had Christmas and we had New Year's, so that had a big role in slowing us down as well. So let's get to it. Stay tuned. we'll get some work done. We'll knock out this wall. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got our locks in. Got counters done. All the subway tiles are done in the background. We got our counters boxed in, ready for the granite top on the front feature, wood feature. We got this door installed as well, both doors installed. I just got to put the lock in for this one. We ordered one, but it's the wrong one. Bathrooms, customer bathroom is finished. The floors, that's just a covering I put over it. But see, we got gray tile right there. That gray tile is gonna come all the way out into this area. That's it right there. So we got all our door frames installed right there. It's coming together. That's a little cutout for a refrigerator. Got the doors installed right here. All our sinks installed. Hood is installed. It's not done yet. They have to put the stainless steel on the back, and the fans and the fire suppression has to be hooked up. This section is not tiled. I'm gonna work on this section next. So we had to stop right there because they were doing the plumbing. So I'm gonna continue and tile the whole of this area, all this area. FRP and the walls are closed. Electrical is done. AC mechanical is done. We just gotta put the vents in for the AC duct. All the FRP is done. Bathroom is FRP. This room is not FRP yet. We use it as a storage. So when we're done using it, we're gonna FRP it. That's the washable tiles right there for the ceilings. In the rear kitchen area, we have to use those tiles, the washable ones. You could wipe them off or wash them. The ones in the front could be the regular. We're going to use the regular ceiling tiles in the front. But yeah, the build is coming along, guys. So I'm gonna go over by floor and decor now. We have some leftover tiles. I'm gonna return those and get some more wood laminate to put in the front area by the counter. So let's go exchange some tiles. Morning guys. This is how we are dealing with in the morning. Yeah. No, in a Georgia, watch out. Snow in a Georgia. I just brush out some snow, but look at them here. Full of snow and it's still a fall. So I'll check on the salon real quick and check on. I'm gonna do some work over peppers. But look on the street. Place shut down. Anyhow, we're on it. Guys, these are the condition out here in the A. You know, we're not prepared for no farm of snow, so check this. No salt up on the road. This is a big main road. No salt on the road. Watch it. It's just snow and snow slush. No farm of salt at all upon big. I know highway this, but a main road, you know. It's not a minor road where people live on. This is a main road with no salt. So we're gonna see what go on later. People are gonna get messed up for the whole weekend. If them not salt the road, yeah, that's it. We not get no weekend. We're gonna stay home. Because this just gonna just freeze tonight and then you can't drive tomorrow. So, but at Georgia not really prepared for them things, you know what I say? So, other than that, snow pretty, it look nice, you know, pretty. I head down to the salon though, go see what I go on, make sure everything alright, and then we'll go over peppers, go see if we can run some work. Got work no stop. Alright, today in Atlanta is a snow day, everything locked down. We don't really have no works going on, every business closed. I stopped by Home Depot a while ago and everything closed. The gas station open though, they're here. but 1 and 2 cars on the road. But pretty much it's snowing right now, or raining, I should say. But yeah, we're gonna knock out some work in so that we have the ceiling for do. We have the ceiling inside here with the other Peppers project. See that we have the ceiling. We'll do most of the ceiling last night. We put in the washable ones in the back. See these right here, smooth. It's like a vinyl. That one is regular. So when we're going to finish out this section, we're not going to put none in this side because of the they're still working on the hood, get the hood set up. But we're going to finish putting the ones in the back right here. Those ones right there. We're going to cut the smooth ones like this and fit those in the corners. I'm going to cut all the corners and have those installed. See, I got a few missing right there, a few missing right there. So we'll get to work and knock that out. I don't think I'm gonna do the tile today. If we finish in time and we feel like doing it, I'm gonna start with the tile right there. Because so we started over here. But the reason why we start this because we did have the sinks to be installed. So I just did this section so they could finish up the sinks. So now the plumbers and all those people are finished, we can pretty much start tiling out this section and that section. In the videos before, you see me talk about that. So we finished the subway tiles on all the walls. We installed the doors installed already. We can put up the exit signs. We have a few exit signs to put up. We did start build the countertop. However, Home Depot couldn't find the wood that I want to put on the front part of it. So maybe wait till tomorrow or the day after when them open up. Right now they're closed because of the winter snow thingy that's going on. So once them open up, I buy the board, that wood paneling we're gonna put on the front of the counter. Once we get those, we can do that. I was hoping to get it last night, so that way we could work on it today. But because we didn't get that material, we just continue on to the roof. The bathroom ceiling already done. So I'll continue with these today and then possibly start working on the tiling inside here. So go and stay tuned. I'm going to set up some time lapse and see if we can get some time lapse in. I'm going to put the exit sign right there. I'm going to have the heat on. Yeah, the heat are blow right now. We still have an issue with the heat. It worked for a minute and then it trips out, like it stopped blowing. It just started blow cool air. So I don't know, the AC guy, he's gonna have to come and take a look at it. It works for the first 10-15 minutes and then after that it just goes to cool air. So I don't know what's going on. Something's not hooked up right. It's a brand new system up there, but the AC guy, he's gonna come in and put those things in. So while he's doing that, I'm gonna have him go over it and check to make sure it's hooked up properly. I think it's just not hooked up correctly. So they have some extra FRP on the floor, snow. But this is what the back look like. So we have a bunch of ceiling tiles. Those are the washable ones for the back. So this is gonna take care of all the back. So yeah, so I'll get to it. Stay tuned. We're gonna set up some time lapse of me working on the on either the floor and the ceiling. So stay tuned. Alright, so we got the ceiling tiles done in the front and we got most of the back done. I'm not gonna put this side in. The hood guy got work to do on that side. But anyway, may I cut this short because the copyright situation. Up to the time.